Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Cozy and we back with another video. Today we're gonna be going over this new drop from the Akimbo Club Brown Wyoming hoodie. Sold out immediately. Now before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of my future videos. Like I said, today we got the Akimbo hoodie in brown. I got it in medium. Probably should have went large because if you watch my earlier videos, you can see that the back of the hoodie was a little bit short. We'll find out if this fits the same. I'ma just from now on get a large hoodie from them. I did also go over the Real Tree and Akimbo Club hoodie and that fit perfect. I'm guessing because it was a Real Tree collab, the hoodie might have been different. Anything Akimbo now that I've been getting is a little bit short. We're gonna find out with this one to see if they're short as well in the back. Alright, so off the rip, you do see the Wyoming in yellow. You got the horse. You see the packaging here. Like I said, I got it in size medium. Akimbo hoodie, Wyoming. When you first get to the page, you get this Wyoming hoodie with a horse running over the hoodie. Like I said, it's all sold out. As you see here, small, medium, large, XL, XXL, all sold out. Fits true to size, made in LA, boxy fit, 100% brushed cotton, 14 ounces, unisex, cold machine wash, hang to dry. So don't ever throw it in the dryer. This is it. Akimbo Club Wyoming hoodie. So far is like any of the other hoodies, very thick, very heavy. Again, it says 14 ounces. This is it right here, fire. So you got the Akimbo tag down here. You also got, like I said earlier, the Wyoming lettering with the horse down here, somebody riding the horse in yellow. You also got a sticker that they add that you do remove, which verifies the authenticity of this. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. It's legit. I got it from the site and it all sold out. From the look of it, it might fit like the New York Noodle hoodie that I received and tried on in my previous videos. But let's go ahead and enough talking. Let's try this on. I probably should have went a large. I don't know if you've seen, but in the back, it was a bit short. I felt like the New York Noodle hoodie, which please go back if you want to review that video I did. I should have gotten a large. So for this one, it doesn't feel as bad, but I probably should have went large because the back is just, it feels a lot shorter than the front. So if you do ever get any Akimbo hoodies, just make sure you go to size up because if not, your back is gonna be basically a little bit exposed. But yeah, this is the Akimbo hoodie, fire hoodie. They're really coming up. This is the reason why I say that they're doing really good. You got Bad Bunny wearing the white zip up New York Yankee noodle. So definitely a great look for the Akimbo Club team. This is the owner right here, Tyrell Winston, from what it looks like. He just, if you see in the captions, he says price of white just went up. So I'm guessing the white one went up. They don't even have it available. You could tell those that had to sell out immediately, because they were just available not too long ago. The moment that Bad Bunny wears it, everybody wants that hoodie. This is a great look for them again. You got Bad Bunny wearing your zip up hoodie. They're doing great. I like their merch. I like what they do and what they drop. So definitely keep an eye out on what they'll be dropping in the future, because I'm sure it'll be gas as well. But that wraps it up for this Wyoming hoodie that came out in the Akimbo Club site about 2 weeks ago. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.